it's Easter. As hoping, it's Easter Sunday, and I managed to get out for a ride. The lockdown is staying to plan. You know, been vaccinated. I've been vaccinated. Wife's been vaccinated. Nearly all my mates have been vaccinated now, so shows how old we are. As I said in the last video, hope to get out east a little bit of practice for the GS trophy. So that's what we're going to do. The GS is let me just show you if I can. Has now had its off-road wheels fitted. The sun in my eyes, it's a bit better. And so all in all, we're ready to roll. I might even practice with the drone. I've got some new software for the drone, so I'm going to try that. I have tried it once and it wasn't very successful, but I'm going to have to probably try it again and see if I can get that to work a bit. So I'm meeting Jason this morning in about an hour's time. Just got to fill up the fuel, and that's it. It's chilly, it's about 8 degrees I think, but it's a glorious sunny day, as you can see. Whoa, sunshine. So really hardly a few clouds in the sky, but it should be dry all day. It should get up to about 15, which is probably ideal for light off-roading. You don't want it too hot so you're sweating your face off. So yeah, bike's all ready to go, tyres are on. Yeah, Easter, sun's out, there's no lockdown as such. Alright, you still got to do the social distance stuff, but that's what you got a bike for, so you are socially distancing from everybody on your bike. So that's it. So hopefully next thing will be get some fuel, meet up with Jace and do some practicing.